This is the EK605 Senschef Cleansnap Everyday Electric Griddle with 1700 watts power and a large dishwasher safe griddle, splash guard, and drip tray. I was sent this to review and I'm loving it, so let me show you a closer look. The user's manual tells you everything you need to know, has a visual guide of everything that's included, how to assemble it. This is the electric cooking plate, product number EK605. The cooking plate and the drip tray can be washed in warm soapy water or placed in the dishwasher. Love that. I'm gonna go ahead and wash these up so I can start cooking. There's an oil drip hole right here, which is going to go below to the drip tray. And then this is like a silicone liner here. You'll see it kind of locks into these holes down here. There we go. Looks great. This is going to plug in right here. Boom. And plug in. There we go. We're on. You can hear it. It gets hot fast. With 1700 watts high power, it heats up incredibly quickly and delivers uniform heat across its huge 20 by 10.5 inch non-stick surface. And it's so large, you can cook multiple items at a time for the whole family. Use it in the kitchen, at the dining table. It's so flexible, you just need a power outlet. It's so non-stick that you can even do sunny side up eggs on here. If you're more gentle than me, that is. It makes an amazing housewarming gift or a gift to yourself. We're loving this electric griddle and know you will too.